Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful earrings that are made only out of twin beads and 3 colors of seed beads. So if you like them and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. And before I start with the list of the materials, here is how the same element looks when you change colors. If you want to see, you could make a pendant, earrings and whatever you like. Now I'm going to start. Okay guys, so what you're going to need for these earrings are 2 colors of superduo beads or twin beads, whatever you want, and I'm using 3 colors of seed beads. These are 11 ounce. I'm using size 10 beading needle, ear wires, here lever backs, and I'm using 0.006 inches of monofilament. You could use other beading thread of your choice. This is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and I'm using pliers to squeeze it to go through size 10 beading needle. If you use flat beading thread, you won't need the pliers. And now I'm going to start by taking about an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be back. Okay, and now what I want to take is 1 twin bead, 1 seed bead, 1 twin bead, 1 seed bead, 1 twin bead, 1 seed bead, and I will repeat this 6 times. Okay, now I have my 6 on my needle. I'm sliding them down. I will stick my needle in my mat and I'm going to make a knot here. So I will make a knot by making a loop and going once, then going second time through the loop I've made, and what I want to do is pull my thread just like that. Okay, now I have a circle of beads here. Okay, and in my next step I will go through my next twin bead, and what I want to do is exit to its empty outer hole with my tail thread. So I was exiting from this hole and then went back through this one here. Okay, and now it's easier for me to flip my work because I will go in this direction, and in my next step I will add gray seed bead, gray twin bead, seed bead in red color, and gray seed bead, and I'm going through the outer hole of my next seed bead, of my next twin or superduo, whatever you use. Then 1 twin, 1 seed bead, 1 twin bead. Okay, this is what I have, and I'm going through the outside hole of my twin, and again okay, and here I'm adding the last 3 beads from this row, and now I'm going to go through the outer hole of this twin bead. So I'm going through its down hole here. If you don't see, here is my thread, and I'm going through its outer empty hole. Okay, now what I want to do is flip my work, and now I will add a row of white twin beads. I'm taking 2 white beads going through its outer empty hole of my next twin, I mean. Then here where the red is, I will add only one twin bead. Going through its outer hole, then I need 2 white twin beads. Going through the next twin, then 1, then I need 2, one, 2, and I'm going to continue this until the end of this row. Okay, and in this step I'm going through this gray bead and through the next white bead, and then I want to go, so my thread is exiting from this hole and I want to go through the outer empty hole of the same twin, just like that. And I'm going to flip my work this way because it's, as you know, it's easier for me to work in this direction. And I'm going to start adding 1 twin bead, then I need 2, then 1, and 2, and I'm going to continue this until the end of this row. Okay, and now I have 2 beads, and I'm going through the white bead here and through the next gray bead. Okay, now this is what I have. Then I'm going through the outer empty hole of the same twin, and I need 1 seed bead. Going through the next twin and pulling. Then I want to flip my work this way, and then here where I have 2 twin beads, I will add 3 white seed beads. And here where I have only 1 twin bead, I will put reds around it. Okay, first I will put 1 red. Okay, and here I need 1 more red. Then I need 3 white beads, because here I have 2 next to each other, and here I'm putting 3 beads. Okay, then I need 1 red, okay, and 1 more red, and here where I have 2, I need 3 white beads. Okay, and I'm going to continue this. Here I need red, red, 3 whites, red, red, 3 whites, red, red, 3 whites, and I will continue this until the end of this row, and then I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay, and here I need 1 more red, and with this one I'm finishing this row, and what I want to do now is show you how to attach your ear wire. Okay, and in order to attach it, I will take one white seed bead, my ear wire, slide it down, and then one more white seed bead, and I'm going back through this white one here. Okay, just like that, and then go 3 times around these beads, reinforcing this part here. Okay, and now I want to make some knots here, so I'm going between those 2 seed beads, making a loop and going once and going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Then I'm going to the next 2 beads, making a loop, going once, going second time, pulling, and going through the next seed bead, and continue doing this, and when you feel your work is secure, cut your thread. Okay guys, and when I repeat all of those steps one more time, this is what I have. I have a pair of beautiful white twin beads earrings. So if you like them and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!